Hey, my name is Jocelyne and today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry watermelon daiquiri. I really love watermelon, so anything with a watermelon recipe I'm always gung ho for. So, keeping it really basic, we're going to start off with watermelon. Honestly, just going to put a little bit of watermelon juice. This is a really good blender, so you want to try to put the liquids to a minimum. I'm going to go ahead and say try not to put that much liquid, except if you're working with a not so great blender, go ahead and put a lot more liquid. Makes a huge difference with the ice and the blender quality. All right, so I like to put my liquids first. Give it a nice base. So again, keep in mind that I'm using strawberry and watermelon for the liquids. So again, everything's just gonna be a little bit tiny. And always with the daiquiri, you have to throw some simple syrup. So let's get 1, 2 spoons. The watermelon juice isn't as sweet either, so I really like to bring the taste and the flavor out in the watermelon juice. Last but not least, rum. I am a rum girl through and through. Goes with my Latin blood. There you go, some dark rum. You will absolutely taste the daiquiri if you throw some dark rum in there. Alrighty, lots of ice. It already smells so great. Let me throw a little bit more liquid. While this is working, we're gonna go ahead and start off a brown sugar rim. Some more strawberry flavor in there. I like my drink strong, so just wait till the end. There you go. This is a trick when you have the best blender ever. You let the consistency become solid, and then you throw a little bit more liquid in there. Look at that. This looks perfect. I'm gonna throw a nice topper. Nice topper. Last ingredient. Try it and have fun. Yeah, this is gonna sneak up on you.